oxidation and reduction reaction and the types of reduction reaction. In the previous two lectures, we discussed about how to calculate oxidation number using structure and formula. If you not see this lecture yet, then check the description box. I shall give the link of the videos. So, let's start. At first, we know what is oxidation and what is reduction. Oxidation is loss of electron and reduction is gain of electron. So students, here a trick to remember this. Oil means oxidation, O for oxidation, I for is, L for loss of electron. This is oil. Oil means oxidation is loss of electron and this trick is Rig. Rig means reduction is gain of electron. Now next we see something. Here is oxidation. Oxidation means gain of hydrogen and loss of oxygen. And reduction means loss of hydrogen and gain of oxygen. Now let's see some example. Here from A we get electron plus A plus. So here loss of electron occurs. So loss of electron means oxidation occurs because oxidation is loss of electron. Next example is B plus electron turns into B negative. That means here gain of electron. So this is reduction because reduction means gain of electron. Now if oxidation number increases, that means oxidation occurs. And if oxidation number decreases, that means reduction occurs. Now let's do some examples. So here we take Zn plus Cu2 plus Zn2 plus Cu. So students, here Zn is in elemental state, so the oxidation number of Zn is 0. And copper is also in elemental state, so the oxidation number of copper is also 0. And here the oxidation number of copper is plus 2 and oxidation number of Zn is plus 2. So here from 0 and here the in this Zn the oxidation number is 0 and in this Zn is plus 2. So oxidation number increases from here to here. Oxidation number increases. When oxidation number increases, that means oxidation occurs. Oxidation occurs and here what happened? From Cu2 plus we get Cu 0. Oxidation number is 0. So here oxidation number decreases. Here oxidation number decreases, that means reduction occurs. So when oxidation number increases, that means oxidation occurs, and when oxidation number decreases, that means reduction occurs. So students, let's take another example. Cr2O7 2 minus Fe2 plus turns into Cr3 plus Fe3 plus. So try to do this. Pause the video and try to do this. So let's do. What is the oxidation state of chromium? So let the oxidation state of chromium is X. So 2 into X equal to 2X plus 7 into minus 2, because oxidation state of oxygen is minus 2, equal to minus 2 because total charge on the molecule is minus 2. So 2x equal to minus 2 plus 14, that means 12. So x equal to plus 6. That means the oxidation state of chromium is plus 6. So here oxidation state plus 6 and here plus 3. So oxidation number decreases from here to here. Oxidation number decreases, so here reduction occur. And here from Fe2 plus we get Fe3 plus, so oxidation number increases, so oxidation occur here. So oxidation occur here. Understand, student? So let's see the next example. What is it? Is Zn plus HCl turns into ZnCl2 plus H2. Pause the video and try to do this. What is oxidation reaction and what is reduction reaction? So students, let's see. Here Zn is in elemental state. So oxidation state of Zn is 0. The oxidation state of hydrogen is plus 1 and chlorine is minus 1. Here hydrogen is in elemental state, so oxidation state is 0. So let the oxidation state of Zn is X for this, plus 2 into minus 1 equal to 0, or X equal to plus 2. So the oxidation state of Zn is plus 2. Are you understand? So here, from here, oxidation state increases from 0 to plus 2. So oxidation number increases. That means oxidation occur. And what happens from here? From this hydrogen to this hydrogen, here plus 1 and here 0. That means oxidation number decreases. That means reduction occur. So when oxidation number increases, oxidation occur. When oxidation number decreases, reduction occur. Next example is A plus B2 plus turns into A2 plus B. Here A is in elemental state, so 0, and B is in elemental state, so 0. So from 0 to plus 2, that means oxidation number increases, so oxidation occur. And here from B2 plus to 0, that means oxidation number decreases, so reduction occur. Are you understand? When oxidation number increases, oxidation occur. When oxidation number decreases, reduction occur. Next example is this: Mg plus N2 turns into Mg3N2. So Mg is in elemental state, so 0 oxidation number, and nitrogen is in elemental state, so 0 oxidation number. Now oxidation number of nitrogen. Here 3 into minus 2. This is alkaline earth metal, so plus 2 plus 2x equal to 0, or 2x equal to minus 6, x equal to minus 3. So oxidation number is minus 3, and for this is plus 2. So from here, from this 0 to this Mg2 plus, oxidation number increases. That means oxidation occur. And from this nitrogen to here, what happens? Oxidation number decreases, so reduction occur. Now let's see the next example. P4 plus NaOH turns into PH3 plus NaH2PO2. Now here P4 is in elemental state, so oxidation number is 0. Sodium plus 1, OH minus 1, PH3. So hydrogen, let's x plus 3 x plus 3 into plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 3, that means minus 3. And for this phosphorus, what is the oxidation number? X plus 1 plus 2 into plus 1 plus 2 into minus 2 equal to 0. So minus 4 plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 x equal to plus 1. So oxidation state is plus 1. So what happens? From 0 P4 0 to this P, what we get? Oxidation number decreases. Oxidation number decreases, that means reduction occur. And also from this P to this P, what we get? Oxidation number increases, that means oxidation occur. Now let's see the next example. Here we take AgNO3 plus NaCl turns into AgCl plus NaNO3. Now what is the oxidation state? Here x plus NO3 minus, so minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to plus 1. So oxidation state of this is plus 1. NaCl plus 1 minus 1, AgCl plus 1 minus 1, Na plus 1 or NO3 total minus 1, and here also minus 1. So no oxidation and no reduction is occur here. So what we can say? We can say that this is not a redox reaction. This is not a redox reaction. Now let's see the types of redox reaction. First type is thermal decomposition of redox reaction. Thermal decomposition of redox reaction. So what is the example of thermal decomposition of redox reaction? Here we take Ag2O. When we heated this, we get Ag plus O2. So in this, Ag is in plus 1 oxidation state and oxygen is in minus 2 oxidation state, and this Ag is in elemental state, so the oxidation state is 0, and here also the oxidation state is 0. So from this oxygen minus 2 to 0, so oxidation number increases here. Oxidation number increases here, so oxidation occur, and from here this Ag to this Ag, oxidation number decreases plus 1 to 0, so reduction occur. Now let's see the another type of reaction. This is displacement redox reaction. Displacement redox reaction. Displacement redox reaction. So we take the example Zn plus HCl turns into ZnCl2 plus hydrogen. Here the hydrogen is displaced from here to here. Hydrogen is displaced, so it is called displacement redox reaction. So now the oxidation state of Zn is 0 because Zn is in elemental state. The oxidation state of hydrogen is plus 1 and chlorine is minus 1. Here the oxidation state of Zn is plus 2 and chlorine is minus 1, and hydrogen is in oxidation state, elemental state, so the oxidation state of hydrogen is 0. Now here plus 1 to 0, what happens? Oxidation number decreases. So what happens here? Reduction occur. Why? oxidation number decreases. Before it was +1, now it was 0, so it is decreases, so reduction occur here. And here 0 to +2, so oxidation number increases, so we get oxidation. Next is combinations or synthesis redox reaction. Now let's see the example of combination or synthesis redox reaction. Here we take the example Mg plus N2 turns into Mg3N2. Now these two are in elemental state and the oxidation state of Mg is +2 and nitrogen is -3. So from this nitrogen 0 to -3, that means oxidation number decreases, so reduction occur. And from here 0 to +2, that means oxidation number increases, that means oxidation occur. Now let's see the another example. We take here Ca plus O2 turns into CaO. These two are in oxidation elemental state, so the oxidation these two are in elemental state, so the oxidation number is 0. And in this Ca to Ca, the oxidation state is +2 and for this -2. So from 0 to -2, oxidation number decreases, reduction occur. From this 0 to +2, oxidation number increases, so oxidation occur. Next is disproportionation reduction reaction. Disproportionation. Next is disproportionation redox reaction. What is disproportionation redox reaction? We take here P4 plus NaOH turns into PH3 plus NaH2PO2. Now this is in elemental state and these are the oxidation state. Now this is 0 and this is -3, so oxidation number decreases, so reduction occur from here to here. And from here to here, oxidation number increases because this is 0 and this is +1, so oxidation occurs here. Next example is I2 plus KOH turns into KOI plus Ki plus H2O. These all are the oxidation state right here. So from 0 to +1, oxidation number increases, so oxidation occur. And from these to -1, so oxidation number decreases and reduction occur. Now students, this is the homework. S8 plus NaOH turns into Na2S plus Na2H2O3 plus H2O. Write the oxidation and reduction reaction in the comment section. Now next is comproportionation redox reaction. Comproportionation redox reaction is one type of disproportionation redox reaction. Now here we take an example. Hydrogen sulfide plus sulfur dioxide turns into H2 plus H2O. These two are in elemental state. The oxidation state of sulfur is +2 and this sulfur is -2. So from this sulfur -2 to 0, so oxidation number increases, so oxidation occur. And from this sulfur to this, they are +4, here 0, so oxidation number decreases, so reduction reaction.